Hey everyone, Izzy from Endless RVing. Behind us we have a brand new floor plan from Fleetwood. This is the Frontier GTX. This is a 39TA. Very unique floor plan inside. You're going to see how much room is in the interior. So let's get right into it, guys. Up front you have the front cap, full body paint, lane mitigation option up front. You can see the headlights. You have the projector headlights as well as the LEDs over here. Now guys, just mind you, this is a premiere. So there will be limited editing in here. We're gonna go through this really quick. We'll give you the MSRP on this unit when we get inside. Now this is built on the Freedom Sport Foundation. This is a Freightliner custom chassis. You can see up front right over the door, you have an awning with LEDs as well as another awning. No slides on the passenger side, which is kind of nice. The wheels up front on the tires, you have 275/80, 22.5-inch tires. Now look, you have some big storage in here. It's all lined with that kind of plastic lining, so if you get a mess inside, easily wiped up. Now you have over here on bay number 2, you have your suicide type doors, big slide out tray.
That's nice, that's a lot of space.
It's huge, as well as some replacement tiles. There's your ladder for the rear. Let's go into bay number 3. Some more pass-through storage.
Yeah, a lot of
and this is actually locked, but there is a television back there. Probably going to be, 42 inches plus, because that's pretty large. You can see the frameless windows throughout. Also have your porch lights for when you're at a campsite and it's dark out like it was this morning when we left. So on this side, you have your RV power surge protector transfer switch, along with 2 outlets. Now, since this is on the Freightliner chassis, you do have the V-Ride, which will help with crosswinds and handling going down the road. 2 more frameless windows, and MJ always gets the good part of this. She gets to show you on the inside where it's really nice.
It is.
Here is your Magnum pure sine wave inverter, your cutoff switch. And then you have your final bay in the rear. This is all for your hydraulic slides. Well, this comes with the Cummins 360 horsepower motor, 800 foot-pounds of torque. This does have a 10,000 pound towing capacity.
I like the, it's just an aesthetic thing, but that's pretty cool. The font on the, you see the the lettering is kind of neat.
The rear cap is really nice. You see there is a rear facing camera. And again, it's only double slide on the driver's side. Here are your...
There's a garbage can here, so you can't open.
Your 4 house batteries. And then over here you have your DEF fill. Now we will put all the specs, or a link to the specs, in the description of this video, guys. We'll put the link to the Fleetwood website so you can check everything out. Here's your wet bay.
And we are going to give you the MSRP at the end, so stay tuned for that.
Outdoor shower, hot and cold, all your fills, full house filtration.
Slam those, baby.
Yeah. Again, this is the other side. These will be all side of the pass-through storage. It does have a full AquaHot system in here. There it is, the AquaHot 400D. Very large. That will heat your furnace as well as your hot water, endless hot water, both diesel and electric fired. Now we're not going to do the front release here, guys. This is probably at least the 5500s, probably more than likely an 8000 Onan up here. All the specs will be below.
All right.
So we're going to switch it up here. MJ is going to take you on the inside on this very unique floor plan.
This is a cool, again, Fleetwood always does these innovative floor plans, and then a lot of other manufacturers seem to kind of come along board.
Well, the first thing I noticed right away is the nice stairs. It's not the rubber stairs.
You got a nice grab handle here. You do have the step cover that is going to come out to give you a little extra space. Another handle here. So here's your cab, your cockpit area. Pretty simple, but very nice. I like the large, you see the large text on there, if you have trouble seeing.
That's all the Freightliner custom chassis stuff.
Yeah, it's nice.
And you do have...
So you have a TV, you have an Insignia TV up here. Now you have 2 cabinets that are kind of cool. It's a little different. They actually slide instead of open. So that's kind of neat. They're not really storage cabinets, but I like the way they open. All right, so up above, you're gonna have extra sleeping space. You can have a drop-down bunk here to hide a loft. It's gonna be up to 500 pounds of weight that you can use that for.
Do you really think a 500-pound person will go up there?
I guess if you're desperate for sleeping space, maybe. So here, these lights, the lights are being a little, there we go.
I don't know if the battery's a little low.
Yeah, they're kind of going on and off, so we may have to just put those on. So you're going to have here, you're going to have another sleeping space here. Now this is kind of a cool thing here. So this is, we've mentioned this before, this table, where these tables on these new Fleetwoods, they pull out, rotate, and move in this way to give you the dining space. Yeah, I couldn't get this out before.
You gotta hit the two handles.
I know, I was doing that, and I couldn't. There we go. Okay, so you have this. It's going to turn. This rotates, goes in there for your dining area. Okay, I don't like to break things on RVs. Two really, really nice chairs. So you get the dining space plus the work area. You got your TV here with your sound bar.
I think there might be storage behind that.
Yes, there is. You got a lot of little cabinets up above the sofa area all the way down. Okay, you got nice LED lighting, highlighting, you know, the areas there. Then moving into the kitchen, a lot of cabinet space here. You do have an Insignia convection microwave and stove. Okay. Nice solid surface countertops. You have this recessed Dometic induction cooktop, your power tower. Nice. Backsplash, not sure if I like it. I think I do.
I actually like that.
But I'm not sure. Yeah, it's kind of cool, but I like the cutout. Okay, so you have the cutout with that nice big picture window there. Here's some more cabinet space in there and a ton of cabinetry here. Another power tower there. A lot of space to keep appliances and things. You got a nice deep sink here, residential faucet with pull-out sprayer, which is good. All right. Moving over, you got an LG fridge. Nice and large there. So now,
a couple of things I've noticed.
Yeah.
The floors I really like. I like the porcelain floors. I do like the infinity weave on the carpet, although I'm not a carpet fan, but we can do that. Also, I like the frosting, the pattern on the glass.
Yeah.
Really nice. Yep. And I do like the transition from room to room. So
that's, yeah, and that's what we showed last year, or in Tampa, on the other Fleetwoods. There is this room, you know, it's almost like a little apartment. Now this I like. This is very residential. You have these, like, you know, really nice long windows with, you know, the wood outline. This is really, really nice, which is then going to take you into the bathroom. Okay, let's get the lights on here. So here's your shower. Nice tall shower. So this is good. Again, you have a nice faucet here that you can remove and wash yourself off with. Okay, this is a very simple bathroom. Like, there's no crazy decor, right? It's just this matte black finish and the lighter walls.
But this is actually one of two bathrooms.
Correct. And you have some storage up here. So you have your little Jack and Jill entrance on this bathroom. You didn't get that. Okay. And then we're going to head into the bedroom, which is really cool. Let's get the lights on here. So you have a north to south bed, which I really like. All right. Put in the comments below. Do you like this kind of bed? I do.
There's a drop down TV.
Yes, right up above. Yep.
So where's that TV switch? It's probably
You're doing.
Hold on, so I'm gonna find this.
It's under there. So there's like all these. You can see all your light switches. See them blinking. There's definitely something going on here.
That is a drop down
anyway,
TV.
So you see your TV here. Yeah, it's gonna drop down, which is pretty cool.
I'm wondering what's over here. I bet you this is it. No, that's the retractable bed.
All right.
Sorry, guys.
So then take a look at this nice soft headboard type, and you have a little shelving too behind the bed, which I like. So then, even more here, could you come this way so I can go that way, which is even cooler well, in the back is what's really cool, but take a look at this. They're doing a lot of sliding, like a lot of their cabinets are sliding instead of pull and push closed. So you have two of those. Bunch of drawers here, long, those are nice, and then longer drawers underneath. Now, this is your, I guess, master bath, but it's cool the way it's set. It's like another room.
Is there a shower in there? Okay.
Actually, wait. So no, you're looking at one and a half. Yeah, 1.5 baths. Okay, so you have a Whirlpool stackable washer dryer, and then Here you go. Here's your sink. So it is a little, it's a little tight in space back here, but again, the layout, the way they did the bed and everything.
This is only like a 40-foot coach.
Yeah, but you still feel the difference between this and say like the Ventana, which is, you know, but it's the layout of
you
this.
have the
You're
extra
getting
bathroom,
that, and you're getting that extra table too. Nice ball faucet, deep, you know, area to keep things, a lot of drawers. But then here is your second toilet in here. So you have this with a large linen closet up above. You got a porcelain toilet pedal flush. Here's an emergency exit window. So it's not a ton of space back here, but again, you have these separate rooms, right?
It
Which
makes
is
it
cool.
very
So
roomy. And I'm still determined to find this. If people are going to stick along, I'm determined to find this.
well, because it's a geek thing.
This has to be somewhere.
It's a technology thing.
This has
Let's
to be
see.
somewhere here.
Let's see if I can find it.
Oh, I bet you it's under settings.
Device, no. Guys, if you're hanging out, you can see this is what I deal with at home, guys. So if Izzy needs to find something or figure something out,
it's just not.
then I just have to wait.
It's kind of. Where the heck would that be?
I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna finish this up. You turned all the lights off.
Sorry.
Okay. Go ahead.
Let's walk. We'll give you the price, guys.
All right. So the MSRP of the 39TA is going to be $415,764.
Wow.
That's the MSRP.
MSRP, of course.
So again, you know, if you know, you come to the show, or if you you're not going to pay that. You're not going to pay that.
No.
So.
What do you think of it, guys?
Yeah, I'm curious. What do you think?
I like the creativity of it.
I do
Honestly,
too.
I don't know if this is something we would get.
No. It's not something we would get, but I like what Fleetwood does with, again, very innovative. You know, this table and the way they use the space. They change it up.
Yeah, so put in the comments below. Have you seen this RV before? What do you think of it, this new design? I'm sure other manufacturers will copy.
Would you get it?
Would
this be something for you?
And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you
on
on the road.